What is up guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the upcoming iPhone SE 2 from Apple, which they are going to launch at WWDC most probably. Talking about the accessory leaks for the iPhone SE 2, a front protector has been leaked showing that it is being built for the iPhone SE 2, which indicates a design similar to the iPhone X. Here is an image released by BGR in which the iPhone SE 2 is compared with the old SE. The new SE have been seen without the home button and of course without the headphone jack, as you guys can also see on your screens, which indicates that most probably it is going to carry out a bezel-less design just like the iPhone X. Headphone jack was removed from the iPhone since the iPhone 7 was launched, and it's quite obvious that Apple will also remove the headphone jack from the SE2, which is going to be released on WWDC 2018. Talking about the chip which is going to power all of the phone, it is reported that Apple is going to give it an Apple A10 Fusion chip or an Apple A10X chip. It is also reported that iPhone SE2 is going to be water resistant with a certification of IP67. Talking about the design, the image which you guys are watching on your screen was just leaked about 2 to 3 days ago. It resembles a design very similar to the iPhone 5. Many sources also claim that iPhone SE2 is going to pack that intelligent security which is present in the iPhone X. Yes, the Face ID. So here was the video on iPhone SE2 guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.